Here I've got KENXINDA V6 and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer and we will start with the first code, which is *##, *## 759 #*#. And now we are in the back menu where you can check brand code, unique device ID, activation events sent, enable services, max ping table size and many other very useful information. Then you can also come along with pings, events and client IDs. Let me go back. That will be all for this first code. Now the second one is *##, *##, 426 ***. And now we are in Google Play Services, where you can come along with events and also with status. Just give it a sec. And if you will click on the More icon, you can open Advanced View to come along with other information, very useful and truly advanced one. And then the third code is *##, *#46 36 ***. And now we are in testing menu performed by Google, in which you can check phone information, usage statistics and also Wi-Fi information. Let's start with the first tab named phone information. And here you can read your email number, phone number if your SIM card is included, then also current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, data network type, and as you can see plenty of other info. You can also perform a ping test here. To do it, just click on it and below you've got the solution. And then you can scroll down and read some other cell info. So let me go back. Now we will open usage statistics, in which you can find detailed information about your applications. As you can see here, all applications are included. You can come along with app last time and also the usage time. And then let me go back to the code. It was *##, 463 6 ****. And finally we've got network information, so let me open Wi-Fi info, where you can come along with Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration and also current Wi-Fi status. So just click to reach the information that you would like to have. And another code is *##, *#*, 225 ***, it's 508 5 ***. And here we've got the calendar info, so all the events, celebrations, important dates are included here from both your device's calendar and also Google Calendar, so you will not forget about any important event because everything will be stored in one place in this calendar info under this short and quick code. And the very last code, and also the shortest one, is *##, 06 #. And thanks to this code you can come along with both email numbers assigned to your device. Here they are, and to go back just click on OK. And actually that would be all. These are all secret codes that you can use on your KENXINDA V6. Enjoy them and use them as often as you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.